Hello everybody, this is Brad on YouTube, and this fragrance here is called Swiss Army by Swiss Army, and this is the fragrance that I wore today. And yes, it is made by the same people that make those funky looking pocket knives that you've probably had at some point in your life, with the toothpick, the fork, and the spoon, and the scissors, tweezers, whatever. Yeah, it's the same people, so you would probably think right off the bat, what in the world were they thinking making a fragrance? Well, guess what? This stuff is actually pretty good. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should give this stuff a try. If you like the outdoorsy scents, I think this is definitely right up your alley. It has that mountain air quality to it, very crisp, kind of a sweet floral fragrance. Just kind of reminds you of what it might be like if you were up in the high altitudes of the Swiss Alps. So yeah, if you're looking for an outdoorsy scent, specifically a mountainous scent, more so than like the typical woodsy type scents, this one is a very nice one, very reasonably priced, unique. I don't think I have anything quite like it in my collection. I love this one year round. I've worn it in the winter. Like I said, wore it today in the summer. It's really nice. Give it a try. Thanks.